BluArmor activated.
Greetings riders, welcome to the BluArmor App Setup Guide. In this video, we will walk you through downloading and installing the app, connecting your C40 device, and navigating through key features, and managing updates and settings. Let's begin. To get started, open the App Store on iOS or the Google Play Store on Android. Search for BluArmor, then download and install the official app by BluArmor. Once installed, open the application. Now let's connect your C40 device. Ensure your C40 is powered on and already paired to your phone via Bluetooth. When you open the BluArmor app, it will automatically scan for connected BluArmor devices and connect to your device. Once connected, you will be taken to the home screen of the device. On the home screen, you will see the main dashboard. Here, from the top left, you will find the device battery level indicator, ride grid settings, music playback controls, the ride aura settings if the Mac dock is connected, the volume slider, and record audio option. From this screen, you can access core device controls and settings. The interface is designed for quick access while keeping navigation simple and clear. Let's take a look at the home screen layout of the BluArmor app and how to configure them. The first option you'll see is Ride Grid. You can toggle Ride Grid on or off directly from here. If you tap on the group name, it will take you to the active group page where you can see the participants. From there, you can navigate to the My Groups page to change groups, create groups, and manage them. The next option on the main dashboard is Music Playback. This shows if music is playing and you can play or pause music as well as skip tracks. If you have a Mac dock connected, the next option will be Ride Aura settings. You can toggle Ride Aura on or off here. And you can also expand the settings using the arrow at the top right to enter the configuration page where you can customize Ride Aura. Below this is the volume slider, which allows you to configure the volume for every audio source on the device. The main dashboard will display the volume of whatever mode is currently active. If music is playing, it shows music volume. You can tap on the top right of this section to expand it, where you will be able to configure volume for each feature separately. You can also change the volume slider type between a dial and the slider. If you choose the slider, you will also get basic and advanced control. Advanced control allows you to control the volume more precisely for each source, while basic volume groups audios together and can be controlled together. Next, you have the voice assistant option, which when tapped will activate Siri or Google Assistant based on your phone. At the very bottom, you have the record audio option, which lets you record your audio onto your phone. You can expand this to see a toggle that allows you to record Ride Grid conversations as well. This page also shows all the recorded audio clips as well. You can also check firmware details and access multiple other settings in the app under the settings option at the top right. Once you are in the settings page, you will see multiple options. At the top, you have the rename option to rename your device. Once you rename your device here, the name change will be applied the next time you turn on your device. The next option is audio controls. Under audio controls, you have several options. Volume takes you to the same volume control page. Volume boost allows you to increase the maximum volume of the device. Equalizer presets let you select the audio preset based on your preference. Audio weave allows you to control how audio from different sources is mixed into the device. You can adjust the audio weave level and also choose to prioritize audio from the secondary connection over the primary one. The next option under settings is Universal Intercom. This allows you to scan for other brand intercoms or headsets and pair with them. Next is voice recordings, which is the same as the record option mentioned earlier. It shows all the recorded clips with the option to delete or share them to any source. Next is the phone call option. This lets you configure how calls are handled. You have multiple options such as answer manually, which means auto answer is off, auto answer all, auto reject all, auto answer known, auto reject unknown, and auto answer known and reject unknown. Depending on your selection, the same setting will be applied to all incoming calls. The next option is speed dial. You can add and set up contacts here to call using the speed dial controls on the device. Next is the Hey Blue feature. This is the voice command feature. Here you can see the option to enable or disable the feature. You can also see all the available voice commands. The next option is T-Stick setup. When you open this, it will ask you to power on the T-Stick and start scanning. Once the T-Stick is connected, it will display the controls. You can select the orientation of the T-Stick based on how it is mounted on your bike, and you also have the option to map the NFB button as the primary click. The next option under settings is Customer Support. Tapping on this will take you directly to WhatsApp, where you can initiate a conversation with a BluArmor support expert. The next option is Crash Detection. This feature allows you to set up an emergency contact that can be automatically called if a crash is detected. You can refer to the dedicated video on crash detection to learn how to configure this feature. At the very bottom, you will find the app version and firmware version of the device. You can refer to dedicated videos on each feature on how to configure them through the app. Before you head out for a ride, make sure your device shows as connected in the app and that your preferred audio and communication settings are properly configured. The BluArmor app is designed to give you full control and visibility of your C40 device directly from your smartphone. And that's it. Now you know how to use the BluArmor app to its full potential. See you in the next one.